everyone. Do you know that kids can get a PAN card? As a parent, you should get one. Start investment to make your child's future bright and shine. Let's learn how to apply it online. Today we'll see how to get a PAN card for a child. First we'll understand the reason why we need a PAN card. First reason, child is a nominee of your investment. Investment like share, property. Second reason, for making any investment in your child's name. Third reason, opening a bank account for your child. The last reason, if the child earns income on their own with some talent like singing, dancing, sports or a YouTube channel. Now let's go to the website tin.tin NSDL or online service NSDL. Link is provided in the description of the video. This is the screen you get. Choose these options and enter detail. Applicant type as new PAN, Indian citizen, form 49A. Category individual. Title Kumari for female child, Shri for male child. Once that's submitted, you'll get the token number. Continue with that form. There are 5 stages in the remaining form. First is guideline. I have chosen to manual send application document. You can select any of them. Second is personal detail. Fill in your detail in case you want the mother's name on the PAN card instead of your father's name. You can do any of them. Third is contact and other details. Fill source of income and address. Representative is the most important information for the minor. Enter child's father or mother detail. Fourth is area code. Choose the state and the city to get the area code. Fifth is documents. Identity proof and address proof for the representative and age proof for the child. I have provided Aadhaar card for all of this. These are the list of documents that can be produced for identity, age, address. Pay rupees 107 online, courier the documents. PAN card would be received in 4 weeks. PAN card for minor does not have his or her photograph. After the child turns 18, PAN card correction has to be applied to upload photo. I hope it is easy and useful. Like my video, subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you. Bye.